Hello friends, I hope you will be fine. Today, I made an amazing video about Apple iPhone 15 series. The 15 series is famous due to its unbelievable battery timing, performance, and its big display. Today we are going to talk about iPhone 15 Ultra, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 that are expected to launch on September 2023. In this video, we will talk about specification and features of iPhone 15 series in detail. Let's start this video. Display. Apple iPhone 15, 6.06 inches, 15 Ultra, 6.70 inches, 15 Pro, 6.10 inches, 15 Plus, 6.68 inches, processor, Apple A16 Bionic for all mobiles, RAM, 8 GB for all mobiles, camera, 48 MP main camera, number of cameras, 3 for all mobiles, operating system, iOS for all mobiles, connectivity, USB Type-C for all series mobiles. So friends, if you like any feature like large display, amazing processor, wonderful camera result of this mobile, then tell us in the comment section and don't forget to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching the video. Good luck for the next time.